Data. Data is an individual unit of information. It contains facts and statistics collected together for reference and analysis. Data analysis. Data analysis refers to reviewing data from past events for patterns. AI analyzes data, makes assumptions, learns and provides predictions at a scale and detail that is impossible for any individual human analysts. Data in the context of AI. A Google search, a passport scan, or online shopping history, all of these contain data that can be collected and analyzed. AI and algorithms allow us to make sense of an increasingly large amount of information in real time. Rock, paper, scissors. In the game of rock, paper, scissors, each player throws one of the three moves, usually by making the appropriate hand shape on the count of 3 at the same time. If the move made by a player is not beaten by any other, that player wins. To play this game on your computers, use the following link: https://next.rockpaperscissors.ai/. Basic rules of the game are as follows. Paper wraps, beats rock. Scissors cut, beat paper. Rock blunts, beats scissors. The challenge of the game is to guess what your opponent will choose and pick the appropriate object to beat them. It is quite hard to pick a sequence of perfectly random choices, so any pattern that a player develops could be learned by the opponent and used to win the game. As you play, the computer learns the pattern of moves that you are most likely to pick. Gradually, the computer will be able to predict your next move before you even make it. Artificial intelligence in rock, paper, scissors game. The computer keeps track of the conditional probabilities of you picking each of the 3 moves based on the move you picked last. The computer always picks the move that can beat the one that it thinks you will choose. Although it knows what you have actually picked, you press one of the buttons to make your choice. It is honest and never cheats. Rock, paper and scissors game illustrates the basic principles of an adaptive intelligence technology. Here, the computer system learns to identify the patterns of a person's behavior by analyzing their decision strategies in order to predict their future behavior.